Here is how to create a calendar appointment for the science lab inviting another person. First of all, open up your calendar and find the spot where you would like to have the time in the lab. So for example here, go ahead and click it and you'll get this pop-up. You want to label it correctly. And then what you want to do is you want to go to more options. So when you go to more options, first thing you want to do is you want to add your guests. And since this is in the science lab, we will need to add Alice. And then you can choose any of your other colleagues you wish to add. After that, you go over to the calendars and you're going to choose the science lab calendar of your choice. So hopefully you've already added Science Lab 1 and Science Lab 2 to your calendar. There you go. Now I'm looking for a spot on this calendar. Next step, click on Find a Time. And what this does is this shows everyone's schedule. So first of all, here's the Science Lab calendar. Here's my schedule, Alice's schedule, and Suji's schedule, who's the person who I chose as my other person to add. Now notice this is the time that I selected, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I can see here Suji has another event. So if that's the case, what I can do is I can look for another time that's appropriate. And for example, right here, 12 to 1 now works for not only the science lab, but for the other 3 individuals who are involved, including myself. Or if that time doesn't work, you can scroll through the different days and you can find a time at a different day. When you've come up with the right time, you just click Save. You send your invitations to your guests, and you're all set.